I'm gonna hook it up, bro. I'm gonna give you 6 secret ways you can boost your appearance almost overnight. And I'm gonna help you out. Most of this is easy. 1, step in the sauna. This one, you should just do for your personal health. Like, even mental health, bro. When you step in the sauna, it's like everything goes away. You just focus on your breathing. It becomes increasingly harder, but it's almost like this time of like peace. But more importantly, you look better. It does this 2 ways. 1, you're burning fat. Yo, when you're in that sauna and you increase that internal body temperature, you just start sweating. And on top of just burning the fat, you're getting rid of all that extra water weight as well. This is why fighters hop in saunas all day long to meet weight. A lot of times you'll be carrying an extra 5-10 pounds just water weight that you can sweat off just by going in the sauna. But while you're also doing that, you're sweating out toxins. And what this does is it keeps your skin looking healthy as you're pushing out all those toxins throughout your sweat. So you're not only losing weight, your skin will be radiating too. Exfoliate lips. The best thing you can do is to exfoliate your lips with either sugar or your toothbrush. I've showed you both methods, but what this does is 1, it keeps your lips soft, and 2, it makes your lips plump because it draws blood to that area as you exfoliated them. So right before going to a date, that's the first thing you're gonna do. Remember, when you're in a sexual interaction with a woman, you're gonna know whether she wants to kiss you or not by how her eyes are playing. So if the night's going on, you notice she's keeping eye contact, but she keeps looking at your mouth, this is a good sign that she wants you to kiss her. But if your mouth is crusty, it's ashy, your lips are dry, they're like sandpaper, they're dull, bro, you ruined your chances. Exfoliate your lips on the daily. This takes me to number 3. Use the right fragrance for the right occasion. You need to start seeing fragrance almost like clothing. When you think about clothing, all right, I wouldn't wear a hoodie on a first date. I wouldn't wear a hoodie to a presentation, and vice versa, right? I wouldn't wear a suit when I'm just hanging out with my friends. You wear clothing for the right situation, and when you wear it right, you win. Do that with your fragrance. Understand, all right, this is a dark event. I need something dark. This is a date. I need something that's gonna get her emotionally attached. All right, this is a work setting, or there's a lot of men in this area. It's a work setting. I need something strong, something potent that gives me that edge, that dominance. See how in every situation you can use your olfactory sense to help you function in that situation. That's how you should see fragrance. And that's what we do with Santa Lucia. Yo, with Santa Lucia, I wanna make this easy for you. Because it can get hard, because most fragrances, they name them in ways where you're just, okay, it's X name, or, you know, Versace Eros, or Jean-Paul Gaultier, but it doesn't tell you how to wear them. With Santa Lucia, I want to tell you how to wear them. Our dark collection is a great example of that. With our dark collection, you know you have Azabache, that's your dark scent, right, for night. You have Love, that's your love scent. That's the one you're going to use when you're trying to talk to women or you're going out to meet women. Then you have Gala. This is your work scent. This is the scent, the money scent, the scent that where you want that competitive edge over other men. The point is, I try to make it as simple as possible using the best ingredients in the world. When you smell our fragrances, and go look at the reviews, don't just take my word for it. There's reviews on YouTube you can find. Our scents come from France. We're using the best oils in the world, and when you smell our stuff, we do fragrances that smell like $400 or $500 without breaking the bank. Matter of fact, if you click the link down below and you buy the set, all 3 of the dark collection, you can buy them individually if you want, but if you buy the set, I'll give you 50% off right now. 50% off the entire collection. That's ludicrous, and I'm not even gonna stop there. I'm also gonna gift you a free car diffuser so your car smells amazing. That car diffuser is $90. So 50% off plus $90 free, it's crazy. That's a crazy deal. If you guys want to check it out, click the link down below. Number 4, use your sunblock as concealer. I've showed you this trick. I've talked about this before, but most of you don't understand just how powerful this trick is. I don't just use regular sunblock. I use tinted sunblock. And the reason I started doing that is because I have darker skin tone color. So when I use the regular white stuff, I would always have this like white film on my face. I hated it, right? So I moved over to a tinted sunblock that was closer to the color of my skin. But what you also notice is that it blocks imperfections. It almost works like a concealer. So not only is it healthy for your skin, not only are you blocking or protecting your skin from the sun's harmful rays, you're also blocking any blemishes. So if you have dark eye circles, if you have any unevenness, texture, pimples, when you apply that sunblock, you're protecting your skin while also covering any imperfections. 5, slow down movements in your speech. Next time you're talking to a girl or you're in a situation with anyone that you want to be more confident, understanding body language can get really complex. But the one thing that I do not want you to forget is this. Slow down speech, slow down body movement. If you want to appear as confident as possible, do both. Slow down both. You have your conversation. You can add a little bit extra dramatic pause into your conversations. And as you do this, you're now controlling the narrative. You're controlling the conversation. You look confident. You look relaxed. Even if you're like jittery inside, you control it on the outside. I'm telling you, bro, it's powerful. Which ultimately rolls me to number 6, and I call this subtle jewelry. This is jewelry, in particular, thin necklaces. I love that, bro. Especially when you're trying to draw attention without it being, in your face, tacky, all that stuff. You buy yourself a thin stainless steel necklace. It'll run you like 30, 40 bucks. It's something you can never take off. But it draws just the right amount of attention to this neck and chest area, which is highly sexual. And I promise you, not only will it make you more stylish, it'll make you better looking.